गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। नाउ आज का वीडियो देखकर तो आपको पता चला ही होगा कि आज का वीडियो किस चीज़ के ऊपर है। सो टुडे आई बी शोइंग ऑल ऑफ माय बैग कलेक्शंस, व्हाट आर ऑल आई हैव ऑन माय wardrobe, and starting from mid range to high range and from street shopping to branded shopping. So yes, I'll be showing all my bag collections in detail, from slings, from totes, from handheld bags, so each and everything. और जो जिसका प्राइस लाइक आई नो आई टेल यू गाइज, because most of them I have brought from shops, half of them I have brought from shops, from street shops or from branded shops. So बहुत ही less amount है जो मैंने online purchase की है. So if possible I will be linking all the links down in the description box, so do check them out. Starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel then please subscribe it and press the bell icon, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram then this is my Instagram link, do follow me there, and this is my page. So yes, let's go. First I'll be starting with a very cute bag, and it's a sling bag, and this I got online but not from any website. I got it through Facebook from a girl, and she lives in Howrah. So she does this bags business and she sells a lot of interesting stuff. So I have got this bag, and if you ask me for her number, I can't get her number. I can't give her number because I don't have her number, as we were just talking over social media, so we didn't exchange numbers. So yeah, I can't give it, I can't help it, but I think this is a very common bag everyone is using now and then. So yes, so this one is this. It has a bow in it, and it's a very nice turquoise color with a hint of pink color in it, and it has two compartments. One is this. You can easily carry your mobile, your sanitizer, small chotu sa water bottle, your battery backup, some mints. So it's very spacious. It looks small but it's very spacious. So yes, and I just hung a keychain here. It's a very big sling. Okay, you have a back compartment here. Here you don't have a chain, so you can keep your some coins or any stuffs, which is very handy. So yes, this is my first sling bag, and this is one of my favorite go-to bag. Like whenever I have to go to bazaar or something, I just get hands on this bag first. So yes, this is the first one. Coming to the second one, this is another sling bag, and it is gifted by my mommy. So this is a tan color bag, as you can see, with a very big belt, and this is from a local shop, but it's very good quality. Like I have been using it since 4 years or 3 years, max to max 4 years, yeah. And this is still in a good condition, and yeah, it has some tassel detailing here, and yes, it has a back chain here, and it holds quite a lot of things. It's very spacious here. Okay, then and the best part is the chains are, like you can see, it's heart shaped. As you can see, it's heart shaped, so it's very cute. Okay, now this has a button here, a button, and it has two compartments, this and this. It doesn't have any hidden chain inside, so only two compartments, and this also carries your mobile, your sanitizer, your water bottle, and small stuff. So it has a lot of space in it, and it's a very good quality. Like I have been using it religiously and regularly, and still it is in a very good condition. Okay, now this I don't know how it costed me, because it was gifted by my mommy, but this one, hopefully it was for 400 including shipping and everything. It costed me 400. Now coming to my third bag. Now this is one of my favorite bag. This is from New Market. As you all know, people from West Bengal, they all know, people from Kolkata, they all know about New Market. So it's a very well-known place, a very well-known shopping place. So this I got from there, and this was gifted by my dad. So it has also a sling maybe inside it. So yeah, so I usually carry like this because it feels very stylish and very luxurious. So it has a golden buckless kind of thing here. It's just open like this. Wait, okay, see, like this, and it has okay, the sling is here. Here is the sling. So it has 3 compartments here. The middle compartment has a chain, and these 2 compartments are open, and the middle compartment has a secret chain. Okay, and there is a back chain also, so it also carries a lot of stuffs, and it's very spacious yet very stylish and sturdy bag, and it has these 4 dots, and it's very like you can just keep this bag like this. It looks very luxurious and a very branded bag. So yeah, and it costed me around 350 rupees, I guess. So yeah, it's a good buy. Okay, so the next bag is a party kind of a bag. Now this bag is also gifted by someone, but I don't remember from whom I got this bag, but maybe during some occasions or something. And I haven't used much of this bag because I really don't go out for some parties or stuffs like this, so hardly, I think I use it 1 or 2 times. So that's it. Okay, so it has a 2 compartment in it and 1 middle chain and no hidden chain. Okay, and yeah, this is the thing. It has some stone work going on there, like a ribbon, and this is the handle, and it too had a sling. Yeah, it too had a sling, but I think I don't use it, so I think I've thrown it, or I don't know, but I like to use it like this. So yes. Okay, so the next bag is also from New Market, and actually this one my mom got it for her, but I stole the bag from her. So yeah, this is a very nice chocolatey kind of a bag, and I use it very rare, like whenever I go to some occasions or party or something. So this bag was just, I went buying normally, randomly. It wasn't like I was just going through this market and it find me some interesting, so I just put my hands on. So it's some stone work is going all around. Some stone work is going here, is also some stone work is there, and it has 2 compartments, 1 middle chain and 1 hidden chain there. So it looks very stylish if you go with some sari or salwar suit, so it looks very stylish. So yes. Now next bag, okay, the previous one price, I think it costed me around 250 rupees, I guess. Yeah, and it has been 4.5 years I have got this bag. Okay, so the next bag is another sling bag. It's a handmade bag, and this bag was from Kashmir. We got it from Kashmir. This also is my mom's bag, and I stole the bag from her, but she's also using it. Sometimes I use, sometimes she's using. So yeah, so it doesn't have a chain, it's totally open, only a small compartment is here. Okay, and full handwork is going on this bag, as you can see. Such a nice color. So yes. So the next bag I have is a party bag. This is a very common bag. We all girls have these kind of bag, at least one piece we have, because these goes very, it gives you a bohemian vibe. So I just love these kind of bag. Now this had a sling going on it, but I just cut it off and threw it because it was very disturbing, because the sling was not proper. It was like ribbon kind of a sling, and whenever I just carry on my shoulder, it goes off and down. So I really like to take this as a clutch, so I just cut it off. So it has a button in it and has a chain in it. Okay, and here, yeah, there is a secret compartment also. Okay, so I just love these kind of bags. It gives you a very bohemian kind of a feeling, a good, very bohemian vibes. So I just love these kind of bags. It really goes good with saris and salwar suits. So yeah. Okay, the next bag is also a party bag. Now this was gifted from my mom from New Market only, and this costed me I think around 150, I guess. Yeah, 150. And this is a very small cute bag. It's just sari ke saath, salwar ke saath kuch bhi. And this has 2 compartments in it. Wait, I'm showing you. Yeah, 2 compartments in it, a hidden chain, then another, wait, then you have here so many compartments. Here you have a compartment, and here you have a compartment. So yeah, okay, something is there. Okay, I have a pen in it, and the pen is from my father's, like where my father was working. So उसका पेन है ये, उस बैंक का पेन है. So this is a very good bag. Like you can carry some cash, your mobile phone, a hanky, okay, and a lipstick or whatever makeup stuffs you want to carry. So it's very handy. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just going randomly through all the bags. Yeah, doesn't have any order from big or smaller, anything. So जो भी मेरे हाथ में लग रहा है, so I'm just quickly getting that thing and I'm showing you. Okay. So the next bag is also a handheld bag, or you can carry as a shoulder bag also. This is also from a local market, but this has a reason buying it. From my first salary, I got a bag from my mom. So I got a bag from myself because the color is so nice. Okay. Maybe the style is a little bit old-fashioned, but I just bought this for the color. The color is so nice. It gives you a satin type of a finish, silky glossy finish. So for this I bought it, and the color is so nice, a chocolate color. So for this reason I got this bag. So maybe it's very old-fashioned, doesn't have that much luxurious vibe, but only for the color and the texture I bought this bag. So it has also two compartments, front compartment and one back compartment. So yes, it gives you a very glossy finish, Okay. Now the next bag. Now nowadays I'm using this bag on a regular basis. Now it's been my go-to bag now. So this is the bag from Oriflame. It's a tote bag. It's from the designer Rohit Ball. So yes, this is the bag. White and red combination with a tan color handle, and it has only one compartment, a big compartment and some small pockets there, and a chain here. So it carries a lot of stuffs, and this is my go-to bag now. Like I'm carrying this on a regular basis nowadays. So yes, and it has these studs here going on, and this is the bag. Okay, so the next bag is a handheld bag. This is also from a local shop. Okay, the previous bag, the Oriflame bag, costed me I think around 2,500 rupees. Yeah, somewhat 2,000 till to 3,000. Yeah, in between that. Okay. So this is a handle bag. This is also from a local shop, and it has a lot of compartment, and it's good for daily use, for office use. So this is in a black and golden combination. It has one compartment at the back, one compartment at the front. Middle it has two compartment. Middle it has two compartment and one secret chain here. So it has a lot of space in it, so you can easily carry, during your office time or work. So yeah, this is. I don't remember the price of this bag, so sorry. Next, this is a sling. This is also from a local market. I think from Vishal Market I got this bag. It's a very nice pink color, not pink, it's a mauve color sling, but it looks very luxurious as if it's a branded bag. And it has a handle here. It has a sling in it, two compartments and one middle chain, no back compartment. And the design is going like this. Okay, so yes. Okay, so the next bag, I got this from Flipkart. Now this is the only bag I got it from online. Like I can give a link for this bag. So I just love these kind of blinky bag. It gives you a very good vibe, a very classy vibe. So I just love these kind of. So this is a tote bag, pinkish tote bag. It has a compartment here. It has a big compartment here, two pockets here, one secret pocket here. So yes, this is also my go-to bag, but nowadays I'm using that one. Previously I used to use this one. So I keep on changing bags because I'm a very bag fetish. So I love to collect bags and I use them religiously according to my clothes, according to my mood. So yeah. Okay, so next I have this handheld bag from Caprese. Now this one is gifted by my mom, and this is my recent bag. I have got it I think 3 months back. Yeah, so it's totally a brand new bag, and it's very spacious, though I don't use it on a regular basis because I don't want to spoil this bag. So I use it on special occasions. So it has a sling in it, a handle also to carry, back chain, and there's a lot of compartment inside. See, there's a pocket here, there is a chain here, again there is a middle chain here, there's a 2 compartments here, so they have a lot of space in this bag. So, and this costed me around 4,000, I guess. Yeah, around 4,000. So yeah, and this I didn't go for online shopping. I bought it from a shop, Caprese VIP shop. So yes. Okay, so the next bag is also a sling bag, and this is from Amazon, and this is also a gifted bag. It is gifted by my brother-in-law, my Jiju. So he gifted me this, and it has nice flower detailing. Now, the time I got this bag, this bag was on a trend, so people were just buying this bag. So I thought, why should I stop? So I also got this bag. So it has a sling in it. I don't know where I kept the sling. So it has 2 compartments, 1 middle chain. Okay, yeah, and it's a pinkish mauvish color bag. So yeah. Next, I have a huge bag. Now this is not for daily purpose, this is only for your travel purpose. Now this bag is from Oriflame, and I got it as a gift. Okay, so yes, it's a huge bag and it carries a lot of stuffs. It has a very big compartment here, front chain here, and there is wait, let me show you. There is a space here to keep your laptop. So you have a space here if you are carrying your laptop or your MacBook or anything such like that. So you can carry there, and there's a lot of space in it. So it's not for daily use, it's only for travel purpose, and I use it for travel purpose only. Okay, so the last the last bag in my collection is again a bag from Oriflame. So this bag and this bag are same because I just love the design and the texture and the structure of this bag, and that's why I got this bag. So I can carry when I'm going for a party, I can carry this bag, but this bag I carry regular wise also. You can carry in your office also. So this is a very nice and luxurious bag, and this is also from the designer Rohit Ball. So I got this bag and it's very nice. It has a front compartment, front chain, and here inside also it has a lot of compartment. Here it has one compartment, one secret chain. Again there is a button going on, and here you have small compartment and then another big compartment here. And this costed me around, I think, 6,000 rupees. So yeah, 5,000, yeah, somehow 5,000 or 5,500, somewhat like this. So this is my expensive bag till now. So yeah. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then please give a like to this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you will be updated. So yes, till then, bye, take care, stay happy, stay blessed, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.